normal weather too.
Okay.
Yep.
Hey guys, Ryno Bones here, joined today with
MDJ2K7.
and we've got special guests. These are my parents. We've got Grandma Bones and Papa Bones. Today we're going to be eating MRE Menu 24, chicken pulled in buffalo style sauce. So we don't have the luxury of switching camera angles today. I'm just going to open this up and we're going to all taste it and see how nasty it is. All right, comes in its own bag. See what we've got. Looks like we've got our main here, chicken pulled with buffalo sauce. The date on this is 1022, which tells me this was from, what, January 22nd, 2011? So it's not too old, you know, just a couple of years. What do we have here? Santa Fe style rice and beans. That'll be good. We've got patriotic sugar cookies, Mason's favorite. Accessories pouch. Beverage-based raspberry. That's excellent. Love that. Moist towelette. Iodized salt, which we probably won't be using. Got some TP for the TP hole. And some cinnamon chiclets. Next item we got are tortillas. Perfect. Got some smoked turkey nuggets, so like beef jerky except turkey jerky. Jalapeno cheese spread. Squeeze the cheese, please. Prerequisite spoon. Mocha cappuccino instant powder. I will give that to you, Papa Bones. And here is some hot water and a cup for it. Give you that cup. Got our heating element and our hot water bag. Grandma Bones, I will give you the raspberry powder. And I will get the main set up.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's kind of like the Swiss Miss type or any of those instant chocolates you buy in the grocery store.
All right, I'll try out this hot chocolate. Got a little bit more of a coffee taste than I was expecting, but it's pretty good. Pretty nice.
That's really pretty good.
Woo! Pretty strong stuff, the raspberry. Got our tortillas out.
That's good.
That's a good sign. Well, it was a good sign. Tortillas are soft, but they are still pretty crumbly.
Ooh, that is really sweet.
It's sugar-free.
You can taste the artificial sweetener in it.
Open up our patriotic cookies.
Can't wait to try those.
And our last item here is the turkey nuggets. All right, while that main's heating up, we will taste test some of this other stuff. We got some patriotic cookies here. The flame from the Statue of Liberty.
USA.
Uncle Sam's hat. And part of a USA.
Pretty good, actually.
Yeah, that's perfect. Nothing wrong with those at all.
It's like animal crackers.
With a little sugar, animal crackers. Yeah, those are good.
All right, that's some good squeezed cheese.
Doesn't look.
This is actually really good stuff. The jalapeno spread is great.
Looks kind of like animal scat.
That's what I think it looks like. I'll get myself some.
Get some from Papa.
Get some of the stuff.
Okay.
Good, right?
Put some on there.
Oh.
You don't like that?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, the tortilla is great. It doesn't taste like it's gone off at all. It's perfect. I think if they were heated up, they'd probably be a little bit better. But they're not bad.
That cheese just tastes very similar to cheese whiz out of a jar.
No, the jalapeno flavor.
I don't think it has that much flavor to it.
All right, let's try some turkey nuggets.
Beef. Turkey.
No, this definitely looks like animal doo-doo, doesn't it? It's very dry.
Yeah. That's the first thing that I've tasted that you can tell it's a little bit past date.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's dry and
Yeah, it's a
powdery
lot
almost.
past date.
Yeah. That's a
Yeah, that's a no
that's a
thank you.
spitter outer right there.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
All right. Yeah. So that's going to the dogs.
I thought
That
it was
wasn't
fine.
good.
I swallowed it.
Well,
All right. Washed it out with that hot chocolate. That made a big difference. Eat a couple more of these cookies, and while this is heating up, we will turn off the camera and get back to you in just a minute. All right, we've boiled these on the stove, and they are nice and hot, ready to pour them out into the plate. Smell the buffalo sauce in that. What do you think? Let's see that. Pour that right there. Oh yeah, that's definitely pulled chicken with buffalo sauce. Smells pretty good. Okay, get out the rice. Sure, this was probably supposed to be on the bottom.
That looks awful.
That's a flavor. All right, let's grab our spoons. Should we just get a bite of each and then mix it together?
try a little bit of each one.
That's not bad. I'm gonna get some more. The chicken's a win.
Chicken's really ground up. You know,
Mhm.
There's not any real pieces to it.
The slop is
It's interesting.
It
So it looks like
definitely some spice to it.
black beans and rice in this.
It's got corn in it too. I'm hoping that was corn.
Well, I see some little peppers. I'm not sure I see corn. Some little tomato bits, maybe. I don't know. It's hard to discern what this stuff is. It's not terrible. It's not good.
Old rice and beans.
Mm-hmm.
That definitely tastes old.
Yeah, that one didn't hold up at all. The chicken, however, is really good.
Chicken's really spicy.
try it on a tortilla.
A little rice in there. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Let me get you some.
Try a little bit of this again.
Oh,
You don't normally see brown cheese though.
No, that's okay. You can eat it.
you have to try it.
I already tried it.
Yeah, it was. I mean, it didn't hurt it to put it in the tortilla, but it didn't help it either. It was pretty decent by itself. Adding the tortilla actually made it worse.
What with the rice?
Or it could have been the mixing of the two.
Probably the mixing of the two.
Because the tortilla itself is actually pretty decent.
That's good.
It was the mixing of the two. I tried it on a tortilla. It's actually pretty good.
All right, well, this actually wasn't too bad for 8-year-old MRE. It was in pretty decent shape. I'd probably skip the cheesy beans and rice mixture here. Definitely the turkey nuggets were way, way out of date. They were not salvageable. But the rest of the stuff actually was really good. I'm kind of impressed with this one. This might actually be a clean plate member. What do you think, son? Final verdict?
Yeah, it was pretty good. Well, the cheese, rice, and turkey was not good at all, but everything else was good.
What do you think, Dad?
The cookies were good. The hot cocoa were good. The chicken was pretty decent. That red beans and rice, it was definitely old. And the cheese product just tasted like Cheese Whiz out of a jar to me.
I could agree with that. What do you think, Mom?
I agree.
Would you eat this on a daily basis?
No,
No. What was your favorite part?
the cookie,
What was your least favorite part?
the cheesy, ricey beans.
Well, the only,
So you like the jalapeno spread more than the beans?
Yes.
That's crazy because ketchup is spicy to my mom.
And the chicken's really good.
Yeah, I'm kind of impressed with this.
yeah, the only part that was just totally inedible was the turkey jerky stuff. It was just dried out. Like it had been an open sack for 20 years.
Well, there you have it. We got the full Bones family review. If you enjoyed watching a whole family here do this, like and subscribe. We might try to do this again in the future. Maybe we'll do one that's actually in date. Who knows? See where the world takes us. Have a great afternoon. Bye.